Hello everyone, I am Heba Hassan and today we are in a new tip with Nuke tips. Today we will learn how to add a toolset inside Nuke. Suppose that you have in your project some nodes that you are recommended to use in your more objects, or suppose that you do have some shots with the same movie or the same product and you have some several nodes that you will generally use in all the shots. And instead of creating all of them more and more, you can use the toolset inside Nuke to save your time. How to do this? Let's, for example, use these nodes here and add a backdrop, calling them a vignette, for example, and I will use this vignette in several shots. So I will go there and create a toolset over here. Let's just call this first of all you need to select these nodes and then here name them vignette, for example. Create. So now when you open here you will find your set here with the same name you created. Oh, oops, I have here named the wrong name, so I need to recreate vignette. Create. Yes. And now let's open another project and add it. File, new comp, any comp. Okay. And we will add these things just to see if they will be added or not. So let's go here and let's add the vignette. And now we have these nodes. Very simple, very quick. So you can use toolset in order to save you much time adding several nodes in order to use it in your comps very free, very quick. See you in a new tip. Goodbye.